Once again, a very good morning, everyone, and to all the teachers and to all the resource person and to the church elder who is present here. And apuya pu nun so minun kana nun ta zian nagang pa me pui pu wai tani gai mi lo thuan tana meeting ti lo nie. And to start with my this hai tong khau mong mu ko I would like to thank the program committee. Tuan ku the resource person gai me gang naba me gang naba me pang ko ata tirai liang liang long ni dan na tuan ku we kum na me tong program ho thom mu ko rong la can explain to lo ban the sam to gen ta gai kum me pu thai do dong ba mu wai can kum na for the student also I'm going to explain this high chiel tong lam ko English can kum sa lo ban the. So I think we better start with this English portion we khau thau rai ko high chiel sam mi ha earlier we call it as Hindustan Computer Limited, but we came into technology sector, so we call it as HCL Tech. And HCL Tech is one of the third largest IT companies in India so far, and we have served around 60 countries, and we have employee about 218K all over the world. And HCL come up with a very good career opportunity for a student who are going to pass class 12 and who are already passing class 12 to pursue a career in technology sector. So the program called Tech B program. And in this Tech B program, this is a 12-month training program, and it's an IT engineering course. And once you complete your class 12, then you will be eligible to join this HCL Tech B program. And in this Tech B program, this is a 12-month training program. 6 months will be classroom training. Earlier we take classes through online. We are providing laptop for the student and giving a Wi-Fi allowance for the student. And earlier we take a online course, but now we are taking classroom training, and you have to come to our campus in Lucknow, Noida, Vijayawada, 5-6 campus we have, so you have to come to our campus and take the classroom training for 6 months. After you completing your 6-month classroom training, then there will be another 6 months of internship. We all know what is internship, right? So during your internship period, you'll get a stipend of 10,000 every month. Once you complete your 6-month classroom training and 6-month internship, then you will be a full-time employee in HCL. You will be started working in HCL Tech in with a starting salary of 19,000. And we have two categories. One is IT engineering and one is DPO. IT is for a student who offer maths in class 12, commerce with maths, humanity with maths. And we have DPO. DPO is for a student who is not offering maths, non-maths in class 12, science with non-maths, commerce with non-maths, and humanity with non-maths. They are eligible for DPO. And what we do in DPO is it will be same as 12-month training program. 3 months will be classroom training. You also have to come to our campus in Lucknow and in Noida to take the classroom training. And after you complete your 3-month classroom training, then the remaining 9 months will be internship. During your internship period, you'll get a stipend of 10,000, same as IT. And after you complete your 12-month training program, 3-month classroom and 9 months internship, then you will be also a full-time employee in HCL with a starting salary of 17,000. That means you are going to earn 1.9 lakhs per annum. And for the IT student, your starting salary will be 19,000. That means you will be earning around 2.2 lakhs per annum. And once you complete your 12-month training program, and while working in HCL Tech, you'll be having the opportunity to go for higher education again. Higher education in Triple IT Guwahati, Triple IT Kottayam, BITS Pilani, Sastra University, MET University. In this given 5 colleges, you can do graduation. And for this graduation also, HCL are going to sponsor for your college admission fee again, partially funded by the HCL. And to join this HCL Tech B program, we have a certain eligibility criteria. That is, for a student who offer maths, you have to score 60 above in maths. And if you are a Manipur board, then you have to score 65% above. That means 65% above and 60 above, then you are eligible to join this Tech B program. And for a DPO who are not offering maths, you are going to have to score 65 above overall percentage. And if since you don't offer maths, you are eligible to join this Tech B program. And if you are from CBSE stream, then you have to score 70% above, because CBSE is Pan India. So you have to score 70% above. And for this Tech B program, we have a certain course fee, that is 1,40,000 for IT and 51,000 for non-math student DPO. And for this course, course fee 1,40,000, Manipur government is going to sponsor you at 50,000. Manipur government is going to sponsor you at 50,000. In that 1,40,000, if Manipur government is sponsoring, then we only have to pay 90,000. That also, if we have a financially problem in our family, then we can go for education loan from SBI. And if you are from Noni, then you can open a bank account in SBI Noni, and you can take a loan from SBI as a education loan. And that EMI has to pay back only after you complete your 12-month training program and started getting your 19,000 salary. It is, and for the DPO, you don't have to pay 51,000, because Manipur government is going to pay you 50,000. That means we only have to pay 1,000, right? And if you're interested and if you want to join, then we have a selection process. One is there will be CAT exam, reasoning, maths and English CAT exam. And in this CAT exam, you have to pass this CAT exam. Once you pass this CAT exam, then there will be one round of interview. We are going to check your communication skills, and we are going to check your confidence skills. And after you complete your interview, there will be one round of Pearson test again. That also we are going to check your spoken English. And after you clear that, then there will, we will send you offer letter, and you are eligible to join this Tech B program. So this is the HGL Tech B career program. And all of class, I think all the students coming here today are below class 12. So I would like to give advice to you that if you want to go for a career in technology, if you want to go for Triple IT Guwahati, or if you are if you really wanted to go for technology sector, then you can go for this, and you study hard and give your level best in class 10, get a good percentage in class 10, and get a good percentage in class 12, then you are eligible to join. And let me also come back in like again class 12 going thay to dungba mugwai the king zui lo to thay to dungba mugwai hai to Tech B CAT exam thaloi lo na interview kong phon ma menin kang mongwai the chon ku te mai phang ni kum na mai to Tech B program ha class 12 boy megwai rena eligible supni kum na course fee can Manipur government rena sponsor suna ba me kum na nanu hai ko join su lo with full time job placement pang bande. Apart from that, nanu kang higher education ni sponsor so that ni HGL rena ni kum na hai to HGL ko gazao ni me to percentage 65 tani to nge kum na 60 maths lani to nge kum na CBSE rena 70 tani to nge kum na we have Tazai School rena. I would like to congratulate Tazai School. We have 2 alumni who has completed 12-month training program and working in Chennai campus and working in Lucknow campus. So I'm very grateful. And Tazai School again tunggu again ko mitong student guy me produce pan HGL ko Tazai School student participate suna bam khangdani kumna. We have a testimonial video from Tazai student, but projector mark na source long here the karina source therefore, and they are also very thankful to the school rina some to long rina pakanu percentage count na mukom bitong third largest IT company ko tan tan na nu ken ilahang na bamte. And few more candidates will be joining this year also. 2 candidates has already ready to get their offer letter. Kanu offer letter pangitai join supnite, and by megwai kanu chailu kanu tong siblings class 12 pass by united, let them do the registration also. Kumna in the back side we will be sitting for registration. Anyone who have doubt and anyone inquiry tani minate kathai tu gang na kum thander ko. And thank you so much for giving me this very good opportunity and deliver this career opportunity to my young student and to my young friend. Thank you so much.